ladybug. And what I did is I made a shaker and I turned it into a ladybug. So this was a blue egg and I colored over it with a black marker. I added some eyes and a little ladybug tail, and I put a little antennas on. And we're gonna shake along to this song called Ladybugs Fly. So maybe you can make your ladybug fly, or you can just use your shaker.
Fly, 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 ladybugs fly.
Good!
Fly over here, fly over there. They fly up high and they fly down low. Around and around and around they go. They fly fast and they fly slow. Oh, ladybugs fly. Yodel-lady, 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 bug, 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 bug. Fly, 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 ladybugs fly. Fly over here, fly over there. They fly up